When delivering real organisation change, enough is rarely enough. When working as part of a data company, we were pushing to increase revenue through developing and deploying new modern web tools for providing our data to our clients. As these were new tools, IT tools we were developing, the methodology was fairly straightforward. We captured the business requirements for the tool, we ensured that our developers developed the right code, and then we tested the code against those original business requirements. When the tool was delivered and tests successfully passed test, we could deploy it to live and leave the sales team to do the rest. But it wasn't just an IT tool we were looking to deliver. It was an increase in sales from our customers. And in this case, what was enough for the IT development was not enough for delivering revenue. Fortunately, we recognised this ahead of time, and we thought about what else we'd need. So we not only needed a test environment on which to test the software, we needed a live environment on which we could deploy it, one that had enough capacity to successfully run. We needed to implement monitoring systems so that we knew when the application was performing and when it wasn't, so irate customers weren't informing us about the failures in our performance. We needed ways to ensure that when things did go wrong, we had ways of picking them up. We trained a customer sales team to be able to liaise with customers to give them advice and to pick up their issues. They then knew how to pass these back to an IT team that could solve that problem. We needed to ensure that our sales team were properly trained in how to sell to the clients. They needed sales and marketing material to be able to show our customers what the tool was about. We needed a sales approach so we knew the balance of who to sell to, whether to existing clients or new clients. We needed to track how well those calls were doing so we knew when we were making a success of it and when we weren't. We needed a way to capture the ideas and bugs that we were finding so that we could make enhancements and improve the quality of the software. We needed a process for pulling those together so that we could make the changes, test them sensibly, and then deploy new software to live. In this case, driving revenue through a new client tool, enough consisted of much more than it did when we thought of it as a simple IT tool. If you're looking to deliver change in your organisation, it's important that at the start of the project you don't just plan from the starting point forward, but you give a significant amount of time to thinking about what the real deliverables are that will drive the success you're looking for. If necessary, spend time actually thinking about what the end goal is and all the components that there need to be for that to work successfully, so that you ensure that you're not just planning from the start to the finish, but you're planning from the finish backwards to ensure that everything is created and put in place. If you want to know more about leading change in organisations, I suggest you read Changing Spots, A Systems Approach to Change Management. You'll find out more details at www.changingspots.co.uk.